Hello, dear role players. Tired of CharacterAI's filters, slow responses, or just plain boring replies? I've got some very exciting news. Because guess what? Chub is finally back in the game, and they've just dropped a massive update to their proxy menu. And with that update comes a huge new model, Gemini, with a whopping 128,000 context window. That's right. We're talking about DeepSeek's biggest rival so far, and yes, it's unfiltered. Or at least it will be. Because in this video, we're going to jailbreak it together. Now here's something important before we dive in. Chub is saying that when you connect Palm 2 with Gemini, you basically get infinite messages. No more daily cap, no more random cutoffs. Just straight up, full sessions. But in case you do run into reply limits, no worries at all. Just go and create a couple more accounts over at Google AI Studio, generate new API keys, save them somewhere, and switch them up whenever needed. Boom, unlimited replies unlocked. Now before we start with the setup itself, quick note, there are quite a few Gemini models available. But for this video, I'm going to show you the one I've personally been using the most. Gemini-2.5-Flash-Light-Preview. It supports 128K context. It's super fast, and honestly, it works great for roleplay. Okay, let's get into the setup. Head to the search bar and type in LLMHAVENGEMINI. You should see the preset I made specifically for Gemini pop up. Now here's the deal. This preset isn't perfect, okay? If you already know how to build your own prompts and presets, by all means, go make your own. But if you don't, this one already jailbreaks Gemini, and it works out of the box. So, yeah, go ahead and click on it. Once you're inside, press on Prompt Structure. Now, take a moment and compare the prompt to what you see in this video. Sometimes, and I don't know why, Chub just randomly wipes it and replaces it with their own default. So if the prompt you're seeing doesn't match mine, don't worry. Just scroll up to the description, click on the link I left there. It'll take you to an online notepad. Copy everything from that page and paste it back into the correct boxes. Once it all looks good, go ahead and press Use, and then confirm with Yes. Head back to the Chub homepage and open up any chat. Doesn't matter which one. Once you're inside the chat, look up at the top right, and you'll see 3 lines. Click the icon. In that menu, press on Secrets. Click on Palm 2. Alright, now you'll see that we need a Palm 2 API key. No problem. Chub actually provides 2 links for us here. Click the first link, that'll take you to Google's login page. Sign in or create a new account if needed. Once you've done that, go back to Chub and now click the second link. This one opens up Google AI Studio. Inside Google AI Studio, press on Create API Key. Then you'll get a box that says Search Google Cloud Projects. Click on it and select the Gemini, and then press Create API Key. Now just copy that key, save it somewhere safe, and head back to Chub. Paste the key into the API key box and hit Check API Key. If you see the green message, you're officially connected. Now, let's finish the configuration. Close the Secrets box. Then go back to the menu, 3 lines, and click on Configuration. Here's where the magic happens. First, click on Prompt Structure. Check that your API is set to Google. Then move down to the model field. This is where you choose your Gemini version. I recommend picking Gemini-2.5-Flash-Light-Preview-06-17. It's the one I use personally, and it has 128K context with really smooth performance. That said, there are many other models available too. Not all are free, but a good number of them are, so take your time and try a few. Once you've picked your model, scroll down and double-check your prompt. If it looks empty or wrong, go copy the version from the notepad link again. While you're here, make sure to also enable checkmark v2 spec checkmark use lore books. Now scroll down to the box called Generation Parameters. For preset settings, choose Palm 2. If you're an advanced user, feel free to tweak these as much as you want. But if you're new, just copy what you see in this video. Enable Trim Incomplete Sentences for max new tokens. This decides how long the bot's replies are. If you want unlimited, just set it to 0. Personally, I like it around 350 to keep things balanced. Now finally, the big one, context size. As always, on this channel, we go with 64K, the golden middle ground. You can go full 128K if you want, but just know it might slow things down a bit. Still, the choice is yours. Finally, hit save. Then go back and recheck the configuration screen, just to make sure all your settings actually saved. And that's it. Stay tuned for more tutorials, free LLM setups, and CharacterAI alternatives. Make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video. And as always, happy role-playing.